What is going on? 2 within 6 months. The other one happened in the last year, close to the end of the year. Another unboxing for Slumberhouse. He changed his return address. It's no longer just a couple miles from me. He's at the coast now. Still a quick drive. Anyways, guys, follow the channel. I've been telling you. Part of this, when he opened the store, was Sova was available. I couldn't believe it. There was bottles of Sova up there, so might have been that he didn't fulfill all the orders from the last one, just a few left, but just little Easter eggs he leaves everybody all the time. Everybody complains on the boards and stuff about Slumberhouse. I'm like, as long as you're patient and you just hunt a bit, not much, and it happens more randomly than anything to me. Maybe Instagram knows how much I love Slumberhouse. I don't know. Just pop on my phone Friday night. There's a big white bottle. I'm like, whoa. I read his thing. He nailed the last one, so you know I'm doing this one. Oh, all the summer series for the samples. That's cool. So Don. So I finally get to try that one. I had the other two. Maybe I'll have to do some kind of... I got to be creative with my giveaways. I don't do like everybody else. But same felt bag as Sova. I can already tell it's not the flask bottle. Come on, Josh, give us the flask bottle. Even if it was a big pain for you. There it is. Fjerne. Another unique spelling name, Fjerne. Etching is so cool, even from my angle. So cool. Wow, great work. Love the white cap. Just that's cool. It's a cool contrast. All right, you guys didn't come here to stare at the bottle, did you? We know what you guys came for. My scent of the day. It has to be the unboxing scent. Yearn, Slumberhouse. Ready for this? The notes. I know these notes inside and out. I might say one or miss one or say more than one, but notes are good night, good night, good night, good night. Those are the notes. I might have said one more than there it was on the site. Might have said one less. A lot of people speculating this could be his last one. He did not say that blatantly anywhere. I looked and looked and looked and looked. Josh, don't let it be. Too creative. You're too creative for that. Because when he says his last one, man, that's a man that would mean it. He's Portland style all the way. He's not like these YouTubers up here that say they're done and within a week they've got 3 new videos up. He ain't like that at all. Not much from the bottle. Little love nudge from the bottle. Let's get this show. Ready? Let's go. Let's get one. Oh, great atomizer. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. A bit of cream. Slumberhouse DNA. Light air. Man. I want to say vanilla in here, but I'm blind. I'm totally blind. There's a resin, a labdanum or something. Soft spice. This is delicate. This is, man, this is light-handed. He's given some light-handed. It's creamy. Like a wood. I'll see the notes and I'll be like, wow. Oh, yeah, I want to stick with labdanum. Resins, soft, light, air, wood. There's a wood in there. I'm trying to nail the wood. Of course, I want to go sandal. I mean, you can't overspray it. I could double up the sprays now. It was 180 normally priced, nothing new. It's a limited edition. It was 180. Sweet too for Josh. Just it's got his DNA in the bottom, like grave style. I have the full review of that one, full wearings of this one up there. But Grave has that light touched slumber aid. A creamy wood with that tangy Slumberhouse DNA. I'm gonna go labdanum, something in that ballpark with the wood, and just fine-tuned. I mean, I could spray on that much again. We'll have to see how it plays out today and how it wears through the day, sillage, whatnot, longevity, all of that. People have asked me to do full reviews of these and score them. I don't know. Maybe I'll do them all together in a quick vid. Now that I see Sova popping back up there and know that it's available, I think I'm going to do a full review of Sova. It so deserves it. Man, the sillage keeps pumping. Keeps giving here. Right here, the heat is just, and not overpowering. Not, like, there we go. It's got a toned down Bach vibe. That Keist, Bach, Sova, it's rum, right? Is it a light rum in here? Is that what it is? Coconut? It's coconut. Come on. Is it coconut? It's like a coconut rum. It's like a breezy feeling like that coming on now. The woods are there. The resin's there. I mean, just a happy hour drink right here in a bottle. Soft touched with slumber aid. So don't, like, it's not this poignant, like the aid is toned way down. It's very, very wearable. It's coconut. I'm almost positive of it. So you guys don't like coconut. I know there's quite a few of you. Every time I put coconut fragrance on Instagram, always a few people. I don't like coconut. So might want to not seek a decant or this one out. I'd still stick with the vanilla. Still stick with sandalwood. Still stick with the slumber aid. That's what I have. Slumberhouse Fjerne. He keeps doing good work. We got to hunt down what that good night means. And then hopefully it's just let this be what you want it to be kind of thing for this perfume. One of those. Yeah. Portland style through and through. Love the dude. Love the guy. His work. He lets his work speak for himself. Never, strong cap, never lets anybody get to him. At least doesn't show it. I admire what he's doing. I know a lot of people are complaining to me, but we do things here in Portland different. He surprises. So just, if he posts, like, and I let a couple people know and they missed out. They're like, oh, it's down. I'm like, I'll let you know, man. He doesn't fool around. You only have, max I've ever seen is like 2 days to decide. It is what it is. But grab the samples when you can and find out if it's a house you like. I'm getting a lot of doubles now, so I'm going to have to figure out something to do with my doubles. The Grave I might use. I go through a lot of that. Sedan, I can't wait to get to that. Might have to review it with this. All right, everyone. Unboxing. Quick one. You and yours. Be safe. Be blessed.